how to enable the mobile gaming option on TikTok Live, based on the 2025 experience, including eligibility details and helpful community insights. If you want to stream mobile games on TikTok Live, there's a mobile gaming option built directly into the app. But not everyone has access.
How to
Let's
have
go
gaming
step by
live
step through
option.
how to enable it and
How
what
to have
requirements you'll need in 2025. First, check the prerequisites. TikTok typically requires at least 1,000 followers. You must be 18 plus, have your account set to public, and streaming history matters too. Step 2, switch to a business account and choose a gaming category. Go to your profile settings and privacy, account, switch to business, category, choose gaming. This helps TikTok recognize you. Step 3, start a mobile gaming live stream. Tap the plus button, swipe to live, then select mobile gaming. Choose your game, add a catchy title, adjust settings, microphone, video quality, filters, and hit go live. TikTok will ask permission to record your screen. You must allow that. Important note, meeting requirements doesn't guarantee access. TikTok must enable it on your account. As one user explained on Reddit, open quote, "Although I have met all the requirements above, doesn't mean I'll be magically granted access. You have to be selected by TikTok to get live access." Another streamer's advice, open quote, "I streamed some mobile games from my phone and TikTok eventually enabled live gaming for me. Pirates I turn 0 Reddit 12, close quote. So if mobile gaming doesn't appear, try clearing TikTok cache and updating the app, ensuring screen recording permission is enabled, going live from your phone, playing mobile games consistently, reporting the issue through profile settings, report a problem to request access. One more thing, account type matters. If your account is a business profile but not set to gaming, or listed as a different category, access might be blocked. Some users overcame this by switching to a gaming business account and streaming regularly. Open quote, "Made my TikTok account a gaming business account. Within the next week, I had full access." Close quote. In summary, switch to a gaming business account. Have at least 1,000 followers and be age 18 plus. Stream mobile games live from your phone to build history. Mobile gaming option appears on live setup once TikTok enables it. Contact TikTok support if it's still missing. And that's how you enable the mobile gaming feature on TikTok Live in 2025 safely and correctly. If this helps, hit like and subscribe for more social media tips. And let me know which game you'll stream first.